Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and let's get started with another episode. Samsung has always surprised its fans with something new and interesting. This time, Samsung has surprised the buyers with its latest smartphone called the Samsung Galaxy J Max, which, as the name suggests, features a mammoth 7-inch screen. In this video, I will share unboxing and hands-on review of the Samsung Galaxy J Max smartphone. In the box, you get the phone itself, along with a charging adapter with output rating of 5 volts and 1 ampere, a charging cable, Bluetooth headset, an earbud for the headset, and some documentation. It takes its design cues from other smartphones in the Galaxy J series. What makes it slightly different from other J series phones is its large 7-inch screen. It comes with a plastic bag with a pattern over it for better grip. Along the edges, there are plastic edges with metallic finish. Above the display, there is a 2 megapixel front camera along with earpiece and sensors. Below the display, there is a physical home button placed between two touch capacitive buttons which are not backlit. Volume rockers and power button are located on the right edge. You get a dual SIM card slot and a microSD card slot on the left edge. Charging port and 3.5 mm audio jack are on the top edge, and on the bottom edge you get microphone. On the rear of the phone you will find speaker, 8 megapixel primary camera, LED flash and Samsung branding. The speaker of the phone is good, but the placement of speaker on the rear may make the sound get muffled. Overall build quality of the phone is good. If you're planning to buy this phone, then keep this in mind that it is quite bulky and too big for single-handed operations. It features a large 7-inch screen on the front, which is also the highlight of this phone. The WXGA TFT screen has a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels. Sunlight legibility and viewing angles are good, but the display quality could have been better. The TFT display of this phone is certainly not as good as AMOLED screens of J series phones. The size of the screen is pretty impressive and it offers a great multimedia experience. On imaging front, the J Max sports an 8 megapixel rear camera with LED flash and a 2 megapixel front facing camera. You get a lot of modes in the camera app such as Auto, Pro, Beauty Face and more. Outdoor as well as indoor shots have good detailing and accurate colors, but we notice slight amount of noise in some of the shots. Macro shots and low light shots come out to be great, but again with slight amount of noise. The front camera is just 2 megapixel, yet it manages to take decent selfies. Color reproduction and detailing of selfies are good, but you may find some amount of noise levels. Overall camera performance is impressive. Moving on to hardware specs and performance, it is powered by a 1.5 GHz quad-core Spectrum SC7731 processor paired with Mali 400MP GPU and 1.5 GB of RAM. The phone houses 8 GB of internal memory which can be expanded up to 200 GB using microSD card. It scored around 24,000 points on Antutu benchmarks. This phone handles light games like Sonic Boom pretty well without any glitch. Moderate games such as Dead Trigger 2 also run fine but with some occasional lags. It handles multitasking without any issues. On software front, it runs Android 5.1.1 Lollipop operating system. The interface is smooth and responsive. It comes with Ultra Data Saving Mode and S-Bike mode. The Ultra Data Saving mode compresses cellular data across all content such as videos, photos, media, almost all apps and websites. The S-Bike mode turns the phone into a biker's phone and avoids distraction of the bikers due to incoming calls and helps them to concentrate on the road. It supports USB OTG, which means that you can save a lot of space on your phone by moving your multimedia files to a USB. The phablet also comes with a kids mode that, apart from offering a wide range of fun and educational apps for kids, also allows parents to monitor and control their children's phone activities. This phone is backed up by an enormous 4000 mAh battery. The battery easily survives for up to 1 day on moderate usage. Connectivity options include 4G with voice over LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and GPS. As for pricing, it is priced at Rs 13,400 and can be grabbed from offline and online stores. It comes bundled with a free Bluetooth headset as well. The Galaxy J Max is a decent phone that, apart from offering a large size screen, also offers a host of features like good camera combination, S-Bike mode, Ultra Data Saving mode, Kids mode, and more. If you're looking for a mid-range phablet for great multimedia experience, and general usage, then you should go for this phone. If you want to buy one for yourself, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. Please like, share and comment on this video, and do subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.